Please proceed.
Uh, the Honorable Committee and the Chairman, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Wala na po akong sasabihin pero sasagutin ko po lahat ng mga tanong na ibabato po sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat, Mayor. How about the former Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Santos? Please proceed.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Committee on Accounts at sa iba-ibang mga congressmen, party list na nandito po. At sa mga kababayan namin na kasama namin sa LGU. At ako rin po, kung ano po yung pwedeng maitulong ko dito sa investigation dito sa mga allegation. So, tayo po'y tutulong. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
Thank you, Vice. How about the OIC Mayor? OIC Mayor Ryan Viray. Please proceed.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Kung ano po yung may tutulong ko bilang OIC, sasagutin po na.
Thank you, Mayor. Have you brought with you your department heads?
Yes po, Your Honor. Nandito po sila. Okay po.
Thank you, Chairman. Good morning to everyone. Yes.
Yes,
Mr. Chair, in the last committee hearing, the chairman required the submission of so many documents from letter A to letter R. May I know if these documents were submitted? So far as the Honorable Fernandez is concerned, he requested 2, 4, 6, 7, and the Honorable Garin requested for 2, letter B, and this representation requested for 5. May I know if these things were complied with or the documents were submitted before we proceed?
Comsec, please answer the query of Congressman Chairman
Mr.
Ako.
Chair, some of the documents were not submitted.
And what are those documents that were not submitted?
Sir, we're still waiting for the submission of the annual procurement plan and the certification of urgency from Mayor Punsalan regarding resolution number 20-005. Also, the application letter of Mr. Mangaron addressed to the Sangguniang Bayan, among other things. And also, sir, the documents requested from the municipal assessor related to all the lands in San Simon that were reclassified from agricultural to industrial. They only submitted 4 documents. And
For
yes,
documents?
yes, sir, the assessor.
Almost all the documents being requested was addressed to the municipal mayor, and of course to the vice mayor. Mayor, do you have the documents?
Meron na po akong pinadala last po, hearing na po natin. So, andito po yung mga department heads ko po.
Mayor, what I'm saying is the documents being requested to your office during the first hearing.
Opo, nandito po. Nagdala po ako ng mga ibang dokumento. Nagpa-receive din po ako sa kanila.
Hindi, kulang nga eh.
Opo. Lagi ko po silang pinapaalala na dalin po yung mga dokumento. So sabi po sila po pupunta na rin po. Sila na po yung magpapaliwanag daw.
Saan po yung mga department heads concerned? Doon sa mga documents that should be submitted in this committee. Pakita yung nga yung mga assessors.
Budget officer.
Budget officer, have you brought with you?
Mr. Chair, nagpadala po ako 1 box of tax declaration, 5 reams, already submitted to our administrator.
Mr. Chair.
Ang pinadala mo, yung 4 lang daw na reclassified property. Ang inihingi po sa inyo, yung iba pang mga dokumento. Kindly submit nga to the committee. Not later than on the
Mr. Chair,
next scheduled hearing.
nasubmit ko po siya and then nag-request po si Secretary po ng electronic file. Nag-email din po kami ng electronic file.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, ma'am.
why
Please
don't we
proceed.
go one by one over the documents being required? So number 1 is the application and bayan requesting reclassification. Was that?
Mayor, yung sa sangguniang reclassification or documents was not submitted to the COMSEC.
Andito po si SB Vice Mayor Bravo po. Siya po yung makakasagot.
Vice Mayor, please.
Good morning po. Sa pagkakaalam ko po, lahat po ng nirequest po ninyo ay naatasan po namin ang SB staff at ang mga concerned office na isubmit na po lahat.
Kaya
So,
nga,
I understand na all documents needed by the Congress is already submitted.
and that's why, Mr. Chair, I continue with my recommendation. One by one, the application letter to Sangguniang Bayan, was that submitted?
Ang sabi ni COMSEC, it was not submitted until today. Have you submitted? Galing sa inyo dapat yan, Vice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Sinong padala?
Yung aming pong staff sa SB at ang aming pong SB Secretary.
Check your stuff.
Yeah.
Baka may problema kayo sa tao niya. Nandito ba siya? Nag-send? Paano mo pinadala? Di ba ikaw yung Space Secretary?
Good morning, Mr. Chairman and Your Honors. I on the pagkatapos po ng hearing natin, i-forward ko na po via email yung about the certification of urgency as requested by the committee, Your Honors. It was upon verification of our record, Your Honor, it was sent to the COMSEC on February 19, on Friday of February 19, Your Honor, 2024.
February 19? March na tayo ngayon.
16, Your Honor.
March.
16.
16 of March?
February po, February.
February 16?
Opo. Nung Friday po, nung ni-request nyo, the day you requested, Your Honor. And it was,
Kasi ganito.
it was duly,
The last hearing was February 14, and you are claiming now that you have submitted February 16.
yes, because that was the request of the...
So do you have a received copy from my office or
Ye-
from COMSEC office?
Yes, it was
Saan
duly,
po?
it was duly acknowledged, Your Honor.
Pakipa, ano nga?
But anyway, Your Honor, I am bringing the hard copy, which I can submit.
Please approach the COMSEC.
Thank
Or
you, Your Honor.
COMSEC, pakuha mo nga yung dokumento. Okay, thank you. Anyway, Chairman Akop, there are some documents that was submitted just this morning, and COMSEC will just check on all those documents and other documents that have not yet complied with by the resource persons. So, ano lang po, para magtuloy-tuloy tayo, i-check muna nila ni COMSEC kung ano pa mga dokumentong kulang doon sa ni-request ng first hearing. Yes,
It's not only the documents, Mr. Chair, that we were asking, also the invitation that we asked for, like the SKK Steel Corporation, the Una Grande Tierra Development, and the invitation for all those officers that that need to be answerable to all the questions that we were asking. So, nandito po ba lahat yung mga, like for example, UKK Steel and the Una Grande Tierra Development? Particularly those two
Mr. Chair,
corporations.
first things first. No? You were asking for the hard copy of the letter of urgency by the mayor. Punsalan.
yeah, and all other documents pa. Marami po.
That should cover the resolution, subject matter of this case.
Yes.
And somebody supplied us the hard copy, which was handed to us. And this is not the letter, Mr. Chair. This is a certification to the effect that the mayor certified urgent that particular resolution. We were asking for the copy of the letter of the mayor. This is not the copy of the mayor. We need some propriety here, Mr. Chair. Pinaglululoko na tayo ng mga taong ito. This is a certification.
For the
This is
information of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, it was submitted to us by the SP Secretary. SP Secretary, please take the seat in front.
a certification ito eh. Oh. Hindi naman yung letter eh.
SP?
Nasaan po yung letter
Hindi
na sinasabi
nire-request
natin?
namin.
Your Honor, please, yung pong file ko, as I said during the first meeting, Your Honor, I have to verify in my office whether there is a certification of urgency available on file, Your Honor. Pagkatapos ko pong tinignan yung files namin, wala pong certification of urgency na nakikita on file. But since it is approved, certified urgent by the members, Your Honor, now I am certifying based on the
I just want to cut you. What we are asking is the document, SP Secretary. Now, ang certification mo, proving that indeed there is a request from the mayor, di ba, for urgency. Pero ang hinanap namin dito yung dokumento, hindi po yung SP. Kaya nga in question ngayon to, dahil question namin yung desisyon ng SP, ng sangguniang pangbayan. Ngayon you're telling us, what we need is the document. Now, if you don't have the document, indeed, hindi totoo po. Nagpadalang mayor.
Your Honor, yung pong, let me explain, Your Honor. Yung pong, kaya nga po sabi ko nung unang hearing natin, I think I was several times asked about this, whether that certification is available in my office. During the time, I'm not very sure, Your Honor. Now, I am telling the Honorable Committee, Your Honor, after a diligent effort to find the document, I cannot find one, Your Honor. Maybe because it was not filed in my office or it was given directly to the Vice Mayor or the presiding officer during that time. That is, but I am certifying since it is in the minutes of the meeting that it was approved, certified urgent, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, that the right protocol. Okay.
Chairman Akop has requested all the documents. Now, Chairman Akop, pero of course, we will discuss about the submission of the SP Secretary. All those other documents, COMSEC will just check if, as of today, this morning, na-submit na ba yung mga dokumento, no? But of course, yung question of the document that was submitted by the SP Secretary, pwede natin tuloy yung discussion
Mr.
doon.
Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Sandali, one,
wait.
isa lang.
Just to clarify the procedure on certifying as urgent a resolution, because I came from an LGU also. Before the mayor or the secretary can certify a resolution as urgent, there must be a letter coming from the chief executive, in this case, whether the mayor or the governor, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan or the Sangguniang Panlalawigan to certify as urgent this certain resolution. Without that request, how can you certify something that was never requested before? So, malamang yan, binudo lang yan, wala namang request. Ngayon, dahil nahuli nga sila, nag-certify ngayon ng issue ng certification. That certification can always be antedated. The proper procedure, just like as the president, if he wants something, a bill passed, he certifies it urgent, he sends a letter to Congress. Ganun din po sa LGU, whether provincial government or municipal government. So in this case, you did not follow the proper procedure. How can you certify something as urgent when there was never a request from the mayor? Yun lang po, Mr.
Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. Anyway, before I recognize Vice Chair Flores, SP Secretary, ang nirequest po kasi last hearing, yung dokumento mismo, hindi mo nakita. Di ba? Oh. Why did you make a certification? Ang hinahanap dito sa committee, sandali. Please, wait to be recognized before you speak. Ang hinahanap dito last hearing is the document itself. Yung request, certified urgent. Yun ang hinahanap. Now, sabi mo kanina, hindi mo nakita. Then why did you certify? Because the order of this committee is to produce that document, not your certification. Ano?
May I answer, Your Honor?
Of course, please proceed.
Yung pong ang SB Secretary po, kung ano lang po yung file sa office ko, I will take care of that document as an official record of the council. Yung pong pag sinabi ng mga SB members, certified urgent yan, I cannot question that, Your Honor. Kasi po, they are I cannot be better than them, Your Honor.
No, Mr. Chair.
Chairman Fernandez. Now, what I'm telling you, this committee directed you to produce the document, di ba? O walang dokumento, tama? Bakit ka magsicertify? Kasi ang order ng committee is for you to produce. Now you're justifying yung question ngayon dun sa issue ng certificate of urgency.
May I answer, Your Honor?
Oh,
Apo.
I just like to warn you, pag inulit-ulit mo sagot mo, hindi ka pwedeng lumusot dito. Kasi alam na namin na hindi mo nakita. Na ang tanong ko, please diretso mong sagutin. Bakit ka nag-certify hindi mo nakita?
May I read my certification for the record, Your Honor? Ano po? May I read?
There will be no need, Mr. Chair. Maliwanag na po ito. Ano po ang pangalan nyo?
George Carino po.
George Carino, ikaw ang Sangguniang Bayan Secretary.
Opo.
Ilagay mo doon sa minutes of the meeting, January 14, 2020, na certified urgent itong resolution na ito. It is in the minutes. Ito, nakalagay rito. Sinertify mo na urgent dahil sa sinabi ng mga members ng Sanggunian?
Yes, sir.
Ganun ba ang patakaran ninyo ngayon? Pag sinabi nilang urgent without even looking at the certification or letter of urgency by the mayor, gagawin mo na certified urgent?
Based po dun po, opo, kapag sinabi po nila. Kasi
pag sinabi ng Sanggunian mo nang hindi mo nakikita yung sulat ng mayor, isa-certify mo? Based po dun sa minutes na sinabi.
Hindi, ang tanong ni Dante Marcolita, walang letter, sinabi na ng Sanggunian,
Mr. Chair, sumumpa na ba ito?
Dito po sa minutes
Sandali
namin.
lang. Walang letter. Tama o hindi?
Opo, tama po.
O, bakit ka nag-certify na urgent coming from the office of the mayor nandito sa minutes?
Kasi
Nang hindi
po,
mo nakikita yung letter.
kasi po sabi ng presiding officer,
Teka muna, tinatanong ko, bakit ka nag-certify dito sa minutes mo na merong certified urgent sa mayor nang wala?
based po doon sa sinabi ng
So
presiding,
anong paniniwalaan mo? Yung letter ng mayor o yung based sa sinabi ng mga kasama mo sa konseho ninyo?
with due respect, Your Honor, siyempre po kung anong sinabi ng presiding officer at kami po kaming SB secretary o ako bilang SB secretary, kumukuha lang po ako ng notes based doon sa mga sinasabi ng membro. That is only my job, Your Honor.
Oh, andyan po si mayor. Mayor, nandyan po kayo. Totoo po ba na wala kayong letter?
Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, the honorable members of the committee. The previous meeting na po natin on February 14.
Hindi nga, wala kayong letter,
Wala
di ba?
po. I denied already that I did not issue a certified urgent.
Oh, dinideny niya.
Yes,
Sino po
opo.
nagsising? Meron pong makukulong sa inyo. Either kayo o yung inyong
Lahat po
secretary
sila
ng Sangguniang
nag-confirm na
Bayan.
nag-certified ako. Wala po. Lahat ng members of the councils na
Pero,
nagsabi.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Inuulit ko lang po yung nakarang nating hearing, no? I denied already the certificate of urgency of that resolution. But all of the members of the council, ni Sangguniang Bayan, confirmed that I certified a copy of urgency without any documents that they can present today.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair. May I ask yung ating pong secretary, you have an agenda, nung hearing ninyo, nung prior to the approval of that resolution. Can you kindly give us yung resolution? Kasi doon sa agenda, normally, kami marami rito mga dating mayors, governors, and members of the council, and ako, former vice governor and former mayor. So, kapag kami nagse-certify nag-hear kami ng urgency ng isang sinertify ng governor, tinitingnan namin yung agenda namin na nanggaling sa executive. Do you have a copy of that?
Your Honor, para po maliwanag.
Kasi kanina tanong mo, meron ba o wala? Kasi kanina, iba yung letter request na nanggaling sa mayor. Sometimes, the mayor write specifically on that certification of urgency. Separate. But normally, we have the whole agenda. Doon sa whole agenda, meron ba nakita ka na isang letter request or something that request from executive pertaining to that resolution?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ka nakita?
Wala po.
So in other words, talagang walang galing kay Mayor Punsalan. Tapos wala rin sa agenda ninyo. So ang tanong talaga, hindi kayo makakapag-topic ng isang issue without a letter coming from the mayor or the executive department. On that case, talagang it's either you're lying or talagang walang dokumento na dumating sa inyo. Mayor Punsalan, may tanong ako sa iyo. Kasi dinideny mo that you have issued yung certificate of urgency.
Opo.
Last hearing, nadinig ko na rin yan.
Opo.
Dinay mo.
Opo.
So kung walang certificate of urgency, yung resolution na yon,
Opo.
why did you sign the check purchasing that property? Kung alam mong wala kang certification of urgency, bakit binili nyo nung, I think, kailan nyo in-issue yung check nung purchase ng property?
Your Honor,
February 12. Kung February 12, yes, Mr. Chairman.
Mayor, please don't answer unless I recognize
Sige po, sige po.
and address your answer to the chairman. Now, just to clarify, Chairman Fernandez, the issue at hand is the property of Mangaron, not the 45 million that was bought by the municipality of San Simon. So, ang issue hinggil dun sa certificate of urgency by the mayor, allegedly by the mayor, is pertinent to the Mangaron property.
I forgot.
Of Mangaron property.
Yeah. I'm sorry
Please,
for that,
please
Mr.
proceed.
Chairman. Okay. So in other words, wala kang in-issue na certificate of urgency.
Pwede na po ako sumagot, Your Honor.
Sige, go ahead.
Wala po. Wala po akong inisyo na certificate of urgency. Doon po sa mga Ron property po, no?
I have a question.
Doon
Mr.
po
Chair.
yung sa Greenland. Ito po yung pinag-uusapan natin. Tama po ba, Your Honor? Mr. Chairman?
Ito yung kay Mang Ganon, no? Medyo na-confuse ako because there's a
Apo,
lot of
kaya
cases that
nagulat
have been
po kanina.
filed in here. So, Mr. Chair, I will be yielding back to you muna for the meantime.
Paki-off lang po, Mayor, yung microphone mo. Now, before I recognize the original one that question that certificate,
Related kasi.
I'd like to Chairman Akop, si ano muna, si Ma'am Jimmy. Ma'am, please proceed.
Yes, Mr. Chair, the SB secretary said that he certified only because he was told by the Sanggunian. Who in the Sanggunian told him?
It was the temporary presiding officer, Your Honor. Si Honorable Keko Almario, Your Honor. It's in the... at yun po ay nakareflect sa minutes namin, Your Honor.
Nandito ba siya?
SP Secretary, SP member, nandito ba? Almario? Yes, Mayor.
Wala po siya, Your Honor. May sakit po siya. Naka-wheelchair na lang po. Na-stroke po.
He was the one that was invited, but because of his medical condition, he was excused in the first hearing.
Yes po.
Anyway, yun ma'am. Actually, dito.
He'll already be slightly recovered, at least enough to come here.
COMSEC is directed to follow up the invitation for SP Secretary, SP member Almario.
Mr. Chair, can I proceed with my
Sandali.
interpellation?
Chairman, sandali. Ma'am, are you done? Last na lang, Chairman Akop, because you are the one who raised that question. Please proceed. Then I will recognize na Congressman Pimentel. Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Carino, kung natatan mo, ako po yung nagtanong tungkol dyan eh. Di ba? Because ang premise ko nun, yung Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, siya ang gumagawa ng agenda for the Sanggunian. Di ba tama? At lahat ng
Opo,
ng
Your Honor.
dokumento supporting your agenda dapat nakasubmit sa iyo. Sumagot ka rin ng oo noon eh, kasi nandito sa akin yung minutes eh. Nandito ngayong mga katanungan ng bawat kasamahan ko noon eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
Di po ba?
Opo.
So, naandun sa agenda, yung draft ordinance number 20-005 kung ako'y hindi nagkakamali. Di ba? Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin noon eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes.
Kaya po sa calendar of business po nun.
That is why I also requested na bigyan yung committee ng kopya ng draft ordinance number 20-005 at saka yung certification or letter of the mayor certifying this draft resolution as urgent. Yun ang ni-require ko nung last meeting eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
Di ba?
Opo.
At sinabi mo, gusto mong makasiguro, gusto mong ikuan yung iyong mga dokumento. Kasi
Opo,
ayaw
Your
mong sumagot ng diretsyo noon eh. Di ba? Regarding the letter of urgency submitted by the mayor.
Opo, Your Honor. I remember saying, let me check the report
Yes.
para po sigurado lang po ako sa sagot ko. Now, after a diligent effort to find one, wala po akong makita, kaya nag-certify na lang po ako based on the minutes and the calendar of business during that session po.
Pero yung certification na yan, ginawa mo na lang after the hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Pero noong meeting ng Sanggunian discussing draft ordinance number 20-005, nakalagay po doon na merong certified urgent under the office of the mayor, di ba?
Ayon po sa sinabi ng presiding officer.
Wala pa siyang sinasabi noong una. Kailan niya sinabi na certified urgent yun? Is it before the hearing sa iyo or after the during the hearing or after the hearing?
Bago po mag-session, sinabi sa akin na certified urgent yan, and even during the session, approval, deliberation, and approval of that particular ordinance.
Kung ako magtatanong doon ihuli, bakit mo pinayagan na certified urgent? Wala ka namang ikinalendar mo, wala ka naman nababasa na letter of urgency?
Sir, to be frank, Your Honor, kung dahil mga bosses po natin yan, ako po isang SB secretary lang. I cannot assert my right. Where is that document? Ano po? Kasi I respect of what they are saying, Your Honor. As I always do, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I will ask my questions when my time will be up. I yield to the Honorable Johnny Pimentel.
May I continue with these questions, Mr. Chair?
Mr.